freezer. It's just ice. I don't keep any frozen food or anything like that.
A refrigerator that was lacking in food was a concerning sight for UT student Ramray Wong.
Make me feel a bit anxious, especially considering that I didn't have any stock of food in my room. If I wanted food, I would have to go out and get it.
Wong was one of many who struggled to obtain food during the winter storm. UT Outpost Coordinator Will Ross says the food pantry had to adjust rapidly.
Up there, but if you go to their website, you'll see you have winter storm option and get a bag of food. You have water option and get some water.
The Outpost has added curbside pickup since the beginning of the pandemic, which can be useful. However, it's not viable for everyone.
Impossible.
Marin Jack says his 25-minute drive was a challenge.
I heard it was a mess the whole week with ice, so it wouldn't even been possible to probably get within a mile of where that apartment was.
It wasn't just students struggling either. UT student Avery Sanob joined fellow classmates buying perishable goods from groceries, donating them to those in need.
The very last house that we went to, kids ran outside and they had taken stuff out of the bags that they were excited about, and they came and showed us and they said, "Oh, thank you so much." I was kind of tearing up.
Efforts like this will be essential in restocking shelves, helping those who were affected get their life back in order.
And anxious about meeting your needs, but also anxious about everything that's going to happen after this. All of that is behind this survival instinct kicking in.
In Austin, Clark Dalton reporting Texas TV.